Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Today it's an interesting vlog because today me as a foreign student here, I would like to cook a traditional Korean food, that is kimchi fried rice, also known as Kimchi Bokkeumbap. Actually, the concept of fried rice dates back to China's Sui dynasty. It's the common era during 589 to 600 years. So that period of time, from that period of time, the fried rice concept was developed, and in Korea, the fried rice became known as bokkeumbap, which means stir-fried rice, and adapted to local tastes. And for kimchi, like this thing records in Korea's Samguk Sagi, also known as the history of three kingdoms, in the common era of 1145 during that time. So that time, that Samguk Sagi described as fermented vegetables preserved with salt. It was a necessity in Korea because the weather was very harsh, and during winter it was very difficult to produce fresh vegetables. So by the Goryeo dynasty, from 918 to 1392 years, during this time of Goryeo dynasty, the kimchi evolved with spices, and the introduction of red chili peppers was introduced into the late 16th century via trade with Japan after Columbus brought them from the America. So finally, the kimchi with red chili pepper, the version that we know, it was started to become popular from that time. During the Joseon dynasty period, that is 1392 to 1897, this rice, that time rice was a staple food, and kimchi was available all year round as a side dish. It was preserved through kimjang, which is also known as the communal kimchi making tradition. So now what happened is, overripe kimchi was too sour to eat alone. So stir-fried rice or mixing this kimchi with rice was a preferable and logical extension of the practice, and followed by later frying the kimchi and mixing rice with it evolved eventually. During the Korean War time, 1950 to 1953, addition of canned meat like spam or other meats or fish, this kind of thing has become popular as an addition to kimchi fried rice. This cross-culture fusion reflects Korea's post-war reality, where imported foods were integrated into local cuisines. So during Korea's industrialization period, that is 1960 to 1970s, during that time kimchi fried rice grew as a cheap quick meal for students and workers. And by the late 20th century, it was a go-to dish for young people with busy families. An interesting catch here is, during late 1980s pop culture, a singer named Byun Jin Sub, who sang a song called Wishes, in Korean known as Huimang Sahang. Here he mentioned that his ideal girlfriend would cook a great kimchi fried rice dish for him. So that time it also got another catch. Followed by these days K-pop culture, kimchi is introduced across the globe. So now it's actually, you can also call it as a global dish. So that's all for now today. Thanks for watching. Thank you.